Hey everyone, here's a quick video on how to turn two looms into one long loom. Each loom comes with bases on the back. It will be two of these small ones and one of the big ones. So if you have one loom, you want to find the side with the arrows, take the back of your hook, flip it over, and you're going to remove the small base that's near the back of the loom. You're also going to remove one of the big blue bases. Sit that down, grab your other loom, and you're going to want to come to the other end. So on this end, we took it off of the side that has the arrows. On this one, we're going to do it on the end where the openings are. So you're just going to take the small blue base off. And we need to now connect these two together. So take your big blue base, and we want each loom to meet in the middle of this. So you go about halfway up. It doesn't have to be exact, but you want half of this sticking off. Push that down so it will look like that. Grab your second loom and you just line it up together. Now you have a lot of open space here, so we will flip it over and we will now place back the two small bases. Push them down, and now you have one long loom. Hope that was helpful. Bye!